Welcome back to Craftswala. This is day one of our new series where I will be making a functional Ironman helmet. Today, we are starting by applying a coat of epoxy resin on the upper part of the helmet to make it solid and durable. I'm super excited to share each step with you, and I'd love to hear your advice and suggestions along the way to improve it further. So stay tuned, stay connected, and don't forget to support this journey by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's get started. So this is the final result of first epoxy coat. In the next video we will applying the coat in the inner side of this helmet. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe Craftswala.